Hi everyone. Okay, what we're doing today, I'm just going to show you very quickly what Shopify does. Now, if you've got an online shop, or if you haven't got an online shop and you've got an on-street shop, and you want to catch the Christmas before you lose it and all the money that you don't want to leave on the table, you need to open a Shopify store. Now, the reason why you want to open a Shopify store is because it makes it all easy for you to collect money and to create a store very quickly. I'll just give you an idea. Here's 3 stores that I've created very quickly. T-Pay, I'll give you a little idea now. Okay, this is one of the stores that I've just quickly created. Okay, it's not exactly finished yet, but this is how it's going to be. It's so easy to create these things, this page, and let me show you. That's a catalog. This is a one store niche product, by the way, and you order which one you want. There you go, red, gold. Okay, and it gives you options on Shopify. Really easy to install these. Go buy now. Everything looks really professional. Shopify is established brand. Let me show you exactly what's going on here. Okay, and look how professional that looks. Look, you can't really get any better than that. So if you have a shop, okay, you can go and put your own products on here, and you can order them online. So there's no need to talk to the customer. No need to bring them into your shop. You can just send it to them whatever you have. Okay. Now, if you don't want to do that, there's also drop shipping. If you haven't got products, you can add products straight to your Shopify from Oberlo. Now, if you don't know what Oberlo is a tool that links with Shopify, which is also linked to a big shop. Let's just say an online shop where you can buy things next to nothing, and you can upload them really quickly. If anyone's interested, I've got a link below. Opt in, get a 14-day free trial. There is a 14-day free trial, but between me and you, if you don't pay it, you're not going to lose your store. You can still opt in until it's ready for you to launch, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, you see how professional that is? Brilliant. Okay, and you can, there's an order page, product page. Okay, so you're going to have more products here. Your customers, analytics, which shows you how many people have clicked what. Don't forget, this store hasn't been launched yet. So yeah, it's just amazing. The pages that these guys make is just so professional. There's no one in the industry that can beat it, I'll tell you straight. So go ahead, give yourself a free trial, and if you're stuck, Shopify has tutorials in the membership, but also what you can do is just go on YouTube and type in Shopify store tutorials. You won't just find this one, you'll find more, and flick through it, play around with it. Okay, God bless, take care, and we'll talk soon.